Alright, here's David gonna go down a hill on a lawnmower, piece of crap.
Okay. He's going down the hill. We can't see him yet. Where is he?
He's up at the top.
You can just barely see him.
We've got these guys.
He's on a lawnmower, so you know it's pretty awesome, right?
I honestly don't think it's gonna fucking work, guys.
Go, David!
Watch Mr. Mush walk out.
Actually, oh my fucking god, guys, get over here.
He's going on the fucking ghetto lawnmower.
Oh fuck, I'm moving over.
Shit.
He's gonna crash into this car.
I know, that's what
David's like,
Come on, go.
I'm gonna do this, David. David, you're so retarded. Oh shit! Oh my god! He's so dumb. You're so dumb, David. That was awesome. Facebook time. Do it again, David. Yeah. I forgot if I were going to can yourself. That's what I thought he was going to do. I was doing like, oh shit.
That was good.
Are you gonna do it again?
Like a bitch. Do it again, David.
Okay.
Do it again. This time you don't get your head taken off by the car.
Never again.